audio output, and we could like heckle people on the street through the audio system. So all you need is one of our electric microphone amplifiers, and we make a little holder for it, and then one of our audio amplifiers. You can get the one with the we have so many audio amplifiers. You can just check them out on the site, and some of them have like a place where you can put like a volume adjuster, and that's all you really need. It's just the microphone into the amplifier, and then speakers. You don't need a microcontroller at all. It's the only thing you're controlling is volume. We have a couple projects like that on the learning system. One that goes on your bike that you could look for. That's like you just don't put it on your bike, put it in your house.
Okay. Next up, what a great little project. Setting the Arduino to sleep whenever. Sleep between vibrations is a great idea. If you added an RTC module as the power itself, do you think you could apply the time vibration alert to become a risk-bound soundless alarm clock? Okay, so this is a project that you recently did. This
is last week's project.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can totally, it's like a mindfulness bracelet, right, that vibrates every however long you want. But the watchdog timer that it uses to wake Pajama up when sleeping is like slightly inaccurate. It'll drift like 30 seconds every hour or something. And if you want something a little more precise, you could totally add a real-time clock module. We were trying to make it as small and like fewest parts possible. A real-time clock module would keep accurate time, as would like a GPS. And the real-time clock module, I think you could send over like an interrupt or something to wake up. Okay. Yes. So yes, go for it, please, and then post up the code you did, and we'll post about it.
So this is from Virgil. Vicky, I'm trying to make a tiara based on NeoPixel tiara project for my 5-year-old granddaughter. I decided to start with an actual tiara and place the NeoPixel in the spaces I cannot find a plastic tiara that is suitable, so I got a metal one. The problem is it's conductive, so I have an insulated circuit from the tiara and the tiara from my granddaughter. My first attempt was some clear package sealing tape stuck in the inside of the tiara and other piece behind the circuit that works with the tape. This is a stick and it was kind of ugly. I put a piece of heat shrink tubing and considering making holes for it for the NeoPixels to shine through and wrapping around the circuit for insulation. I guess that would go into the tiara. When you suggest things for your help as always. This is a tough one because that enclosure might not ever work out well.
Pivot. Just get a different tiara.
Competition.
Yeah, like is startup like too much startup lingo for you?
No, it's fine.
Everybody watches Silicon Valley now.
You can't boil the ocean.
Yeah, right. So if it's giving you a hard time and it's ugly when you're repairing it, like and it might like put electricity into your granddaughter, just use something else. Like this whole I couldn't find a plastic tiara doesn't sound like you looked hard enough. No offense. I mean like I'm just trying to be constructive here.
You could also keep the tiara but then coat it in something that's
you could use like plasti dip would be okay. Spray paint would probably chip off or get scratched off by wearing it or the electronics attached to it. I would really like we have a 3D printing template for a plastic version of that tiara. If it's not giving you a good time, like just consider that like your first iteration and then learn from it and start again, I would say. That would be my recommendation.
Alright. Next I'm wanting to build an ugly Christmas sweater with NeoPixels, both strips and 4 individual LEDs. I'm thinking 1.5 meter, 2 meter strips with 10 to 12 individual LEDs. Throughout it, I'm thinking a floral work, however, I'd like to get it functionality like the Christmas Quantica tree